Hello, my name is Lawrence and I'm the principal here at Coleg Llandrillo, and I want to extend a very warm welcome to you on this, your first day of the new college year. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how you achieve over the next few months. My colleagues here are all very dedicated and know how to help you to achieve your goals. You have an experienced personal tutor, so if you need any support, then please tell us and we should be able to help. It's important that whilst we're at college, we respect each other and our neighbours. Being associated with Coleg Llandrillo carries certain responsibilities with it, both inside and outside of college. Every day, we will do our best to inspire you to achieve your potential. And I hope that you will make the most of your time here at college, that you will work hard and that you will be the best that you can be. And I'm sure that together we're going to have a fantastic year. So thank you for watching this short message, and I look forward to meeting you in person.